Good morning. Today, as a student, I'm going to teach you a new topic, that is note making and abstraction. So, in the examination, this will be of 10 marks, and note making is a very important point. You must have often heard, or you must be making note. Okay, teachers keeps on telling, make note of that particular subject. Okay, so first of all, what is a note making? We think that note making is writing only the important point from the lesson. So it's not that. In English, note making is something else. So first of all, I will be telling you what is a note making. Note making is an important study skill. Sometimes our study material is rather large. It is difficult to remember large chunks of information. It is always advisable to note down the main points of the material or passage. These points should further be divided into such sections and subsections. The use of abbreviations and symbols make your notes more compact and precise. So what is a note making? We have to read the lesson, we have to read whatever the notes we are making it, we have to write the important points, and how this I am going to tell you. So first of all, what is a characteristic of a good note making? I will be telling you what is the characteristic of a good note making. So first of all, first character, first point. In first we are having 4 points. Okay, 4 points are there in the first. Note should be short. Your note should be short. Identify the main points. Children, if some comprehension passage is there, or if some book you are making the note from the book, so you have to identify the main point. Unnecessary points should not be written in the note. Note must be written in the note form. Note must be written in the note form. Okay, note must be written in the note form, and in note form we write only in phrases and not in sentences. In note form we write only in phrases, not in sentences. So children, note should be short. Your note should be short. Okay, identify the main point. You have to write only the main points of the notes. Note must be written in the note form. In note form we write only in phrases, not in sentences. So this you have to see, children. In note form you have to write only in sentences, phrases. So children, these are the first characteristic of the good note. So note should be short. Okay, you have to identify the main phrases of the note. Note must be written in a note form. What is a note form? That I will be telling you. In note form we write only in phrases and not in sentences. So this is the first important point in note making. Now some other points I will be telling you, and I will be writing it on the board. Information, children, when you will be writing notes for your examination, you have to logically divide it and anti-divided by the use of figures or letter. So information is logically divided and subdivided by the use of figures or letter. So information is, first point is logically divided. I will be telling you the meaning of this term. What is the meaning of logically divided and subdivided by the use of figures, and subdivided by the use of figures or letters. Okay. Like, suppose children, you have to make the notes of comprehension. So if there are 4 or 5 paragraphs are there in one composition, so your main point should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then this first one will be divided into 1.1, second will be divided 1, 2, if 3 important points are there, then 3 in third one, if 4 important points are there, okay, then fourth, and the fifth one is okay. Then it is further divided into 1.1, 1.2, okay, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like this. So it is divided or it is subdivided. Okay. So once again I repeat, children, that suppose if 4 paragraphs will be there, so first you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 paragraphs should be there, then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to, what you have to do, then what you have to do, if 4 are there, children, then you have to divide and subdivide. So it should be logically divided, and first point it should be logically divided and subdivided. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will, 1 will be divided into 1.2, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. 2 will be divided again into 1.1, no, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Then third paragraph will be divided into 3.1, 3.2, like this. Okay. Further 1.1 अगर subdivide है तो 1.1a, 1.1b, like this. So this logical division is very urgent. This you have to write it, and many people make mistake here. Now, generally 3 main divisions are made like this. Main section, generally 3 main divisions are there. Okay. So main section, subsection, sub-subsection. So main section, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Like this you have to divide the main paragraph. Then subsection. Okay. Then subsection. subsection. So this is there. Okay. Main section 1 to 3, 1 to 3, subsections 1 to 3, subsection A, B, C, D. So this is the way, children, you will be dividing it. Then third point, is that another conventional method of division in the decimal system. Another conventional method of division is the decimal system. Okay. So here you have to write main section, you have to write 1 to 3. Okay, then subsection is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. And then subsection is 1.1, 1.11, 1.12, 1.13, etc. Then abbreviations and symbols are finally used. Next point is that abbreviations and symbols are finally used. So after doing this, okay, after division, the next point will be you have to write abbreviations and symbol, and then children you have to write the summary. In this article, preposition and conjunction should be omitted. Notes must make sense that they, and children, while writing the notes, it should make some sense. Okay, it should make some sense. So in this way we have discussed the 2 points of the note making. Now the third point, and the convention method I've told you is main section is divided into 1 to 3 as I've written here. Then subsection is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, subsection is 1.1, 1.12, 1.13, etc. So I think this is more easier than the first one. Then the abbreviations are used. Okay, abbreviations are used afterward. So abbreviation is used. Article, prepositions and conjunctions are omitted. Note must make sense when they are read again. Now children, the last part of the note making is summarization. Summarization or abstractions follows note making. So after writing the doing the numbering, okay, after choosing the good points and doing the numbering, then you have to write the abbreviations and symbols. Okay, then finally you have to write the summarization. Summarization or abstraction follow note making. It is a selection and paraphrasing of the passages. It involves the following main steps. So how you have to write the summary. Understanding important ideas. Whenever we write the summary, we have to read the whole comprehension 2 times, 3 times, okay, and then we have to understand the importance points or ideas in that note, in that paragraph. Writing them down, averaging the verbs. You have to write down and you have to average the verbs. Avoiding example, explanation, and repetition. Whatever has been repeated, what has been given as example or the expression, that you don't have to write in the summary. In summarizing, we expand the point into full sentences. We don't write in phrases. Now, children, in the note making, you have to write the first in phrases. When we will be doing the numbering, we have to write it in the phrases. But this summarizing is something opposite. Here, we don't have to write in phrases. We have to write in full sentences. The summary will contain all the main ideas contained in the original passage. In summary, the summary will contain all the main ideas contained in the original passage. Be precise in expression. Be precise. You have to be very, you have to precise in expression. Okay. Now, so children, I will be telling you one of the note making. There is not a mountain region of mere subjective beauty, nor one. I will be reading and you have to hear, and you have to, children, see how you are going to make your notes. Alright. And you have to find the symbols. So I am reading it. Alright. And then you just hear what I want to say. There isn't a mountain region of mere subjective beauty. Okay, nor one which claims its greatness based on just an overwhelming opinion of a large majority. For Sikkim is a treasure that few knew about it. However, the facts of its remarkable geography bear enough testimony to pitch Sikkim in a slot that no other mountain region anywhere in the world could duplicate or rival. What Everest is to peak, Sikkim is to the mountain. Tragically, a region so wide and exotic and with such geographical and climate extremes that its amazing wilds and not unremarkable hill station ensure its accessibility is the adventurous only. Now children, this is the first point. Okay, so you have to find out what are the main phrases here, main idea or the main points here. Okay, now second point. Just delve. Okay, just delve into these fact snippets. From the plains is a mere 80 km as the crow flies. The altitude reaches 28,168 feet at the very top of Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. Such a sharp elevation is unrivaled anywhere else and is the first geographical claim of Sikkim. Next paragraph. The second is an offshoot of the first. Nowhere else do so many 7,000 meter plus peaks crowd up such a confined space. Confined is limited. And the third is really a consequence of the first and the second, with a sharp gradation creating the most variegated flora and fauna possible anywhere in the mountains. The fourth uniqueness is also a consequence of the first and the second, and lies in the extreme of the climate, which ranges from the tropical to the tropical Arctic type. And the fifth claim is its thin permanent population and relatively few travelers by virtue of its remote far eastern Himalayan location. The startling fact about Sikkim never seems to end. For starters, all of Sikkim lies in a meter 110 km by 65 km of mountain, peak, glaciers, rivers and forests. A little dot on the map at a latitude of 27 degree north and longitude 88 degree east, its 7,000 square kilometers make it about as large as the national capital region of India. To the north and extending to the east of Sikkim is the Tibet, China, and to the west is Nepal. To the south are the Himalayas and sub-Himalayas region of West Bengal. It is in fact this geographical extreme and the resulting ambience. Okay, so ambience means surroundings, atmosphere, that makes mountaineer track here when they are not climbing. Beside fueling mountaineering dreams in the minds of trackers, what with the closest possible proximity to magnificent peaks while tracking. On the subject of tracking here, it is strange but true that acclimatization means getting used to a new place or a change of climate is much tougher in Sikkim than elsewhere. It may have something to do with being closer in latitude to the Tropic of Cancer beside the rather sharp stages involved in each day of trekking. The closeness to the Tropic of Cancer has made that the snow line will always be much higher and therefore human settlements are seen even at an altitude of 16,000 feet. So, this is adopted from a travelogue by Ashish Kaul. He is a travel writer. Now, so children, now you have to write the notes. I have read the paragraph. Okay. So you have to first you have to write the three. You have to do the division. Okay. And while doing the division and while giving the title, see how I am doing the division and how I am writing the title. So So first we have to see children, this whole comprehension is divided into how many paragraphs. So they are paragraph 5. Okay. So we will write first paragraph. What we will give the title of the first paragraph. So first paragraph is remarkable. We can give the title remarkable geography. Okay. So 5 paragraph are there. So 5 topic you have to write it. Okay. And then children you have to give the first heading. You have to give the heading, subheading. Okay. And then you have to write abbreviations also. Okay. Now, so first is, and then here mountain is not written, here mountain is written. That means this will be your abbreviative word. And then you have to write the title, subtitle. Exceptional beauty. Hidden treasure. You can see how I am writing the subtitle. Then wild and exotic region. Okay. Then fourth is region of now here children 4 points will be there in the fourth. So 3 points will be there. So 4.1 will be, now you can see how you have divided this. Okay, first was this, then subtitle in first, this is there, then this is subtitle, and this is subtitle will be there. Fourth 1.4 ka 4.1. 3 points is there in 1.4. Geographic and climatic streams. Okay. 4.2, then 4.3. Okay, so this is the first part, and now I will be writing the other parts also. So children, similarly second point will be unrivaled 11 and unrivaled mountains, and the point will be Kanchenjunga, third highest peak. Then the sub points will be 1.1 more mere 80 kilometer, 1.2 is 28, 1.60 high, and then second point will be unrivaled. Then third paragraph, what we will give the title for third paragraph? Most variegated flora and fauna. Sub points: first, extreme of climates; second, from tropical of Arctic type; third, permanent population. Few travelers, and in 4.1 sub point, remote Himalayas location. In location, N is there, ION is not there. So this can come in your abbreviation. Then the fourth point is wonderful small mountainous region. Okay, first point is 110 kilometer of Sikkim contain 1.1 numerous mountains, 1.2 glacier, 1.3 rivers, and 1.4 forest. In the fourth point only, second point is as large as NCR of India. Now the fifth paragraph, the main heading of the fifth paragraph is trekking and climbing paradise. First point, geographical extremes and ambience make 1.1 seeking paradise, for 1.2 climbing, 1.3 trekking. Second, acclimatization quite tough. Third, closeness of to Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so in third also there are 3.1, 3 points are there, sub points are there. 3.1 is a higher snow line, 3.2 human settlement possible, 3.21 even at higher altitude. So now children, this summarization part is over. Now what you have to write? Key to abbreviation. Now you have to write abbreviations. So you can see mountain. In mountain, MOUNTAIN was not written, MOUNTN was written. So this is for mountain. Then geographic, GEOGRAPHC was written in the compression. So here you have to write GEOGRAPHIC, geographic. Then similarly population, N was written POPULATN. So you have to write it population. And location, simply LOCATN was written. So you have to write the full location. So in this way we have completed. Now children, how you will write the summary. Sikkim is a region of exceptional beauty. This wild and exotic region possesses geographical and climatic extreme. It is accessible only in the adventures. Its unrivaled elevation contains Kanchenjunga and other highest ranges of the world. Sikkim has most variegated flora and fauna. Its extreme climate varies from the tropical to the Arctic. Its total area is equal to the NCR of India. It is a paradise for trekking and climbing. Closeness to the Tropic of Cancer ensures a higher snow line and human settlement at higher altitude. So this is the summary of the whole compression. So first part you have to do in note making is children numbering. Okay, then you have to write abbreviation, and the third point is summary. With this I complete my note making. Thank you. So finally children, now children, you have noted that what is a note making. So my final lecture about note making, that we have to read the whole paragraph. We have to, children, select the important point. If 5 paragraphs are there, we have to write the heading of those 5 paragraphs, then subheading, and then subheading. The important part is the numbering of the heading. So if 5 headings are there, then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Then subheading should be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then subheading 1.1, 1.12, 1.13. Okay. Abbreviations or symbols are given that you have to underline, or you can write it in the rough, whatever abbreviation and symbols are there. Like EEG is for example, I dot E is for that is. Okay, exceptional mountains, like here we have read mountain, MOUNTN was written instead of mountain. So this you have to see. Then children, articles, preposition and conjunctions are omitted here. This is very important. You don't have to, while writing, you don't have to write articles, preposition and conjunctions. And whenever somebody reads your note, it must make some sense. This is very important point. Whenever somebody reads your note, it should be clear, it should be precise and clear. As soon as the one glance on the note, they should know what is there in the whole chapter. Then summarization again is a very important part. Okay, you have to write the not in phrases, you have to write the summary in the sentences, and the person who is reading it, it should be clear to it. Avoid example, explanation and repetition. In summarizing, we expand the point into full sentence. We don't write the phrases. The summary will contain all the main ideas contained in the original language. So be precise in expression. So this is all for note making. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.